Hello children, today's class is from maths, that is measurements. So you know measurements. So usually the measurements of weighing, you know that in your surrounding. So especially in the grocery shops for weighing grains, and also in some vegetable shop and also in fruit shop, you have to weigh some of the vegetables and fruits. Is it right? And also you can weigh other things by your own. So using weights. You know weights. The weights usually starting from 50 gram, 100 gram, then so 200, 250 like that, and then 500 gram, that is half kg, 1 kg, that is 1000 gram. So usually the weights are expressed in terms of grams or kilograms. Okay. Grams or kilograms. The SI unit of weight is kilogram or grams. Okay. Kilogram is expressed in kg. This gram is expressed in gram, g. Okay. The symbol for the expression for kilogram is kg, and the gram is expressed in g. That is gram in terms of grams. Okay children, so this is a bit of the weights. So you have to weigh some of the things in your surrounding. So how many grams make 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram. How many grams makes 1 kilogram? So you know that 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. Okay children, 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So in this one, first we have to learn about the conversion of kilogram to grams and then grams to kilogram. Okay. So you know the SI unit of weight is gram or kilogram. Gram is expressed in terms of g. Kilogram is expressed in terms of kg. And then 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. And then here we convert kilogram. Kilogram, the short form of kilogram is kg into grams. That is g grams. Okay. Here there are given 2 kg is converted into gram. So by converting, so we have to add. What we have to do? The simplest way, that is we can multiply the kg. Okay. Or we have to multiply 1000 to the given kg. So you learn in the length also, by converting the bigger, which is kilogram to gram. Kilogram is a bigger unit, gram is a smaller unit. While converting the bigger to smaller unit, you have to multiply the 1000 here. When converting a gram to kilogram, divided by 1000. Okay. Here we have to multiply 1000 to the given number. 2 into 1000, you get 2000 grams. Okay. For example, 9 kg is converted into gram. 9 into 1000, that is equal to 9 into 1000 how much? 9000. 9000 gram. Unit also important. Okay. Next. So you know the weighing method. So if your mother asks to bring 2 kg of sugar, you have to bring 2 kg of sugar. Is it right? The shopkeeper weighs 2 kg. That is 2000 grams. That 2000 grams is equal to what? 2000 kg. Here from page number 49, exercise number 12.1. Exercise 12.1. First main. Here convert kilogram to gram. Convert 8 kg to gram. What we have to do? Multiply 1000 to the given kg. So you know that 1 kg or 1 kilogram is equal to what? 1000 grams. 1000 G. Okay. Here 8 kg is converted into this grams. That's why 8 into 1000. Answer is 8000 grams. Okay, children. 8 into 1000 you get how much? 8000 grams. Second one, 9 kg 2 grams. You know that 1 kg is equal to how much? 1000 grams. 9 kg is equal to 9 into 1000. You get 9000 grams. 9000 grams. Next, convert 4 kg 600 grams into grams. Read the question. See children, convert 4 kg. Here we have to convert only 4 kg, but they are already given 600 grams. So while converting this 4 kg, so the answer should be added to this 600 gram. First we have to write. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000. So it becomes 4000 grams. And add this one plus 600 grams. Add this one 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 4 as it is. Answer is 4600 grams. First we have to convert this kg into grams. After that add the answer to this 600 grams. You get 4600 grams. Clear? So next add the following. So here we have to add the weights. So proper unit should be written carefully. So otherwise you will lose the marks. The test and also the exams. From exercise number 12.2, first we add the following. First one, 42 kg. Write down the number spaciously. 58 kg. Add the numbers. Write down the unit. Kg. Children, 2 plus 8 how much? 10. Here 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Answer is 100 kg. 120 kg plus, here also write the addition symbol plus 45. Write in the correct places, 5 in the unit place, 4 in the tens place. Write down the unit kg. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 as it is. Answer 165 kg. Third sum, 57 kg 126 gram plus 39 kg 245 gram. 245 gram. Write down grams. 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 1 plus 2, 3. Here write down kg. 7 plus 9 how much? 16. For 16, 6 you can write here. 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Final answer is 96 kg, 371 grams. Fourth one, 324 kg, 360 gram plus 112 kg plus 6 gram. So write below in the unit place. Add this one, write down the gram. 0 plus 6, 6, 6 as it is, 3, write down kg here, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Final answer is 436 kg, 366 grams. Next we solve the following. In that one, first one, read the questions activity wise. Weight of Anil is 45 kg. Aslam weighs 3 kg more than him. Okay? The weight of Anil is how much? 45 kg. But Aslam weighs more than this Anil. More than 3 kg. So how much you have to add to the 45 plus 3 kg. So what is the weight of Aslam? Second is solve the following solution. Weight of, so you can write in the short form, weight of Anil, how much you have? 45 kg. 45 kg. Weight of Aslam, so he weighs, okay, Aslam weighs more than, so 3 kg more than Anil. Okay. So now we have to add 3 to the weight of Anil. You get the weight of Aslam. Weight of Aslam is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Write down kg. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 as it is. Now we conclude that the weight of Aslam is 48 kg. Okay children, next. Next question. Reena buys 10 kg of mangoes. How much kg? She buys 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples and 12 kg of sweet lemon for a function. Okay. Read the question one more time. Reena buys 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples and 12 kg of sweet lemon. So now we have to calculate the total amount of these fruits. Okay. Write down one by one. Second question. Weight of mangoes. How much? That is 10 kg. Next, weight of apples, 15 kg. Weight of sweet lemon, is equal to 12 kg. Now we have to add the total. So therefore, total weight of fruits is equal to 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, how much? 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So therefore, the total weight of all these fruits are 37 kg. Clear children? So you have to write one by one the given weights. Okay. One more sum we have to do here. A flower merchant has 7 kg 300 grams of jasmine, 5 kg 450 grams of rose and 10 kg of champa flowers. What is the total weight of the flowers he has? Weight of jasmine. How much? 7 kg. Write down the number spaciously. 300 gram. Weight of rose. of rows is equal to 5 kg 450 grams. Weight of champak, answer 10 kg. Write down 0 in the unit place, 1 in the tens place. 10 kg. There is no grams given there. They are not given. So write down zeros to avoid confusion while addition. Okay. So write down the total weight of all the flowers is total weight of flowers. How much? So now we have to add the given weights. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Write down kg. 7 plus 5, how much? 12. 12 plus 0, again 12. 2. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. The total weight of all the flowers is 22 kg. 750 grams. Okay children, next let us discuss about the subtraction of weights. Okay. From exercise number 12.3. So clear? While adding, if they are not given the grams, you have to write in that place zeros. Okay. It will be avoid to the confusion while addition or it may be the subtraction. Children, for example, if you are buying wheat in the grocery shop, the weight of the grocery, that wheat is maybe 5 kg. Okay, that 5 kg wheat, in that 5 kg, 2 kg of wheat is fallen on the road. What is the remaining wheat? What is the weight of the remaining wheat? You know that one? You have to do the subtraction. Means the fallen weight is 2 kg, so the remaining wheat is 3 kg. So you have to do the subtraction there. Now we also do the subtraction or the difference between the weights. It may be kg or it may be in terms of grams. Difference of the subtraction of the hereditary. First we find the difference. Find the difference. First one, 34 kg minus 12 kg. 34 kg minus 12 kg. Write down the given unit. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Answer is 22 kg. Next, 542 kg. 29 kg. Okay, write down kg. Here the subtrahend is greater than this minuend. Take borrow from the nearest one, that is in the tens place. This 4 becomes 3, this 2 becomes 12. So while carrying, so you have to add 10 to the given number. 1 minus 9 how much? 3. Here 3 minus 9 not possible. So take borrow from the 1000 place. This 5 becomes 4. This 3 becomes 13. Okay. Now we have to subtract 13 minus 9. What is the answer, children? 13 minus 9 we get 4. Here 4 minus 2, 2. Final answer is 243. So write down the correct places. The number should be written in correct places. Okay. Third one, 94 kg, 174 gram minus 39 kg, 98 grams. Children, 98 means, so 9 is in tens place. Write down below the tens place, 8 in unit place. There is no number, means it is not given in the 100 place. So in the 100 place, we have to write 0. Okay. Write down done. Next, do the subtraction here. 4 minus 8, it is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place. This 4 becomes 14. This 7 becomes what? 6. 14 minus 8, how much? 6. 14 minus 8, 6. This 6 minus 8, it is also not possible. Take borrow from this 100 place. This 1 becomes 0. Sorry, yes. This 1 becomes 0. This 6 becomes 16. Then we have to subtract 16 minus 9. What is the answer? 16 minus 9, you get 7. Here, 0 minus 0, 0. Write down kg. Okay, children. Next, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, because this subtrahend is greater than this minus. Take borrow from this 9 place. This 10 space. This 9 becomes 8. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9. How much? 5. This 8 minus 3. 5. Answer is 55 kg 76 grams. Here we will do one more sum. 298 kg 248 grams minus 149 kg 248 grams. So you have to write the lines using scale, or it may be pen, using pen. Clearly you have to write in the classwork. Okay, write on the graph here. 8 minus 8, how much? 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0 kg. Here 8 minus 9 is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place. This 9 becomes 8. This 8 becomes what? 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 8 minus 4, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Answer is 149 kg. So there is no grams here. Write down as it is. Okay. Answer is 149 kg. 149 kg. Okay, children. So next, second way, that is solve these sums. Solve the following. In the first question, Abdul bought 30 kg of rice. From this, if 19 kg of rice was used, what is the quantity of rice remaining? Second means solve the following. Solve the following. First one, weight of rice. How much? 30 kg. 30 kg. From this, it was used. So he used the rice. How much? That is 19 kg. Therefore, remaining weight of remaining rice, that is equal to write kg. Here see children, 9 is greater than this 0, means subtrahend is greater number, so take borrow from the nearest place. This 3 becomes 2, this 0 becomes what? 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 2 minus 1, how much? 1. Answer is 11 kg. Therefore, the weight of remaining rice is 11 kg. Okay. Next sum. In the morning, there was 550 kg of. In the morning, 550 kg of firewood in the godown. Saudi Arabia godown. In the evening, if 200 kg of firewood was left, what is the quantity of firewood sold? Okay, in the morning. How much? It is 550 kg. Okay. So in the evening, weight of firewood in the evening. Firewood in the evening. How much? That is 200 kg. Therefore, we have to write means it will be left. Okay. So here we have to find out the quantity of firewood sold. So sold, weight of sold quantity. So we have sold some firewood here. 100 kg. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So the remaining or the sold wood, that is 350 kg. When compared to morning and also in the evening. Okay. Means in the middle time they will sold 350 kg of wood. That is firewood. Weight of anand is 30 kg, 750 gram. Weight of Suresh is 28 kg, 250 gram. Whose weight is more and by how much? Okay. So now we have to write first the solution statement. Weight of Anand. So we have to subtract the Suresh weight from this Anand weight. Weight of Anand is 30 kg, 750 grams. Weight of Suresh is equal to 28 kg, 250 grams. Okay. Now we have to calculate how more Suresh or Anand weight. Okay. Write down grams. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Write down kg. Here 0 minus 8 how much? 2. Means 10 minus 8, that is 2. Here 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Answer is 2 kg 500 gram. Means whose weight is more? Means Anand weight. Weight of Anand is more. How much more? 2 kg 500 gram when compared to Suresh weight. Okay children. Next, the concept is estimated weight and accurate weight. If we buy some things in the shops, a very little more or a very little less weight is differences. So what you do to call the weight expressed in ways? So this is called as estimated weight. If we take 1 kg of sugar, it may be 980 grams or it may be 1 kg 20 grams. It may be more or less. So that is we can call it as estimated weight. For example, the object, this duster is weighs about, for example, 120 grams. So I will accurately say that this is it may be 120 or 125 gram. But when we weigh this duster, you get 150 gram. Or the weight of this star, it may be how many grams? Maybe 20 grams or 10 grams. But the accurate measurement you have to weigh using the weighing machine. So and other things you have to weigh accurately and also you have to weigh correct weights. So here from the page number 56, that is exercise number 12.4, you have to do yourself. Okay children? In that one, in the exercise number 12.4, they are given some objects. First one, hammer. Estimated weight is 1 kg. Hammer, you know children, hammer weight is 1 kg. But when we weigh, that is accurate weight, correct agi ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 kg 200 gram. Okay, correct agi ನಾವು weighing machine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ correct ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So like that, you have to do estimated weight and accurate weight. Accurate ಅಂದ್ರೆ correct rate. Means plate. So means plate ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದಾಜಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ವೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ filled with pieces of chalk, lock, your school bag. Your school bag may be 5 kg, so you have to weigh in the weighing machine. It maybe get some accurate weight. Globe, so not whole globe, it may be in your school, no? So that is you have to weigh. Okay, so this is the end of this chapter, that is measurements and weights. Okay, you have to first write down some measurements of weights. Okay, how many weights makes, so how many grams makes 1 kg, 1000 grams makes 1 kg, like that you have to learn the measurements and write in the one rough book. Okay, so class first I will send through your WhatsApp number. Thank you children.